Alright guys, I'm going to take you guys through the process of how I made these 20 liters of multi-purpose liquid soap at home. You can see how thick and lovely this my liquid soap looks like. I will show you guys how this was achieved. The very first thing you have to do is to make sure your water that you are using to make this soap is standby. I'm making 20 liters of liquid soap and over there is 20 liters of water. Here is my SLS. SLS is a foaming agent. I'm dissolving it in water. When making liquid soap comprises of foaming agent, cleaning agent, and a thickening agent. SLS is a foaming agent. This is my caustic soda. Caustic soda is a cleaning agent. Soda ash is a cleaning agent. Cleaning agents are chemicals that helps your liquid soap to remove stain, while foaming agents are chemicals that enable your liquid soap to lather or foam. Then we have the thickening agent. Thickening agents are chemicals that enable your liquid soap to come out looking thick. So that's just how liquid soap is made. Over here is my STPP, sodium tripolyphosphate. Sodium tripolyphosphate, also known as STPP, is a cleaning agent. This removes stains alongside the caustic soda and soda ash. Don't forget I said soda ash is a cleaning agent, caustic soda is a cleaning agent, so is STPP. STPP is a cleaning agent. So all the cleaning agent removes stains. Now this is my sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid is a foaming agent alongside the SLS. Don't forget I said SLS is a foaming agent. Sulfonic acid is a foaming agent. This is my Texapon. Texapon is a foaming agent. So you can see I'm making use of 3 foaming agents and 3 cleaning agents in this my production. And over here is my sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate is also a thickening agent. This will help my liquid soap to be extra thick. So I'm going to pour some part of the water into my mixing bowl. I'm going to add my nitrosol. Nitrosol is a thickening agent. Don't forget, nitrosol is a thickening agent. This also makes the liquid soap to be thick. This is the main thickening agent, nitrosol. So once you add your nitrosol, nitrosol is the last thing you dissolve, and you dissolve it in your main mixing bowl. Don't forget, nitrosol is the last chemical you are supposed to dissolve cleaning agent into the nitrosol. You can see I have added the first cleaning agent, which is my caustic soda. Then I'll add another cleaning agent, which is the soda ash. You can see I'm adding my cleaning agent first before I will now go to the foaming agent. The next one I'll add is my STPP. STPP is a cleaning agent. So you can see what I did. I added all of my cleaning agent first. Now I'll now go to my foaming agent. I've added my sulfonic acid and Texapon. I had mixed them together in that container. So next I'm adding what? My foaming agent. You can see this liquid soap is very easy to make. It's called liquid soap or liquid detergent, but the main name is actually a liquid detergent, but we are used to calling it liquid soap. You can see I've added another foaming agent, which is my SLS. If you follow this pattern, adding your cleaning agent first before now adding your foaming agent, you will notice liquid soap will be very easy for you to produce. Then last thing I'll add is my sodium sulfate. Once I add it, I'm going to keep this aside for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it's going to become a bit clear. So you can see, if you follow this pattern of adding your cleaning agent first before adding your foaming agent, you will not have issues in the production of liquid soap or liquid detergent. So I'll keep this aside for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is the result. This is how it looks like. Now over here is my preservative. I'm making use of sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is a very good preservative to use in liquid soap production. It makes the soap last longer. It's better than formalin. And over here is my color. I'm adding green color. I'm making a green color liquid soap. Then here is my fragrance. I'm actually making use of a mixture of orange and mango. It has a very sweet smell. Trust me, use orange and mango when making your liquid soap. You will enjoy it. It has a very sweet and lovely smell. Or when you get to the chemical shop, tell them they should give you orange and mango. Then if you want to make your liquid soap, if you get to the chemical shop, just tell them you want to make a certain liters of liquid soap. They will take the measurement there at the chemical shop. It will measure there at the chemical shop. Just in case you have issues with measurement and you want to produce this, just go to the chemical shop, tell them you want to make 20 liters of liquid soap. They will take the measurement there for you, so that you will not have stress taking measurement. And also don't forget I host online classes, just in case you need an online class where you can learn how to make the tablet soap, the organic soap, the liquid soap, the shower gel, the hair shampoo, the hair conditioner, the powder detergent. There's a lot you will learn there. You will check the video description to join the class. Don't forget to follow me. If you are watching this on Facebook, do well by following me. If you are watching this on YouTube, do well by subscribing to the channel. If this is your first time of stumbling on my page, either follow me or subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget I host online classes. I host online class. Reach me to join the class. Goodbye, and see you all next time on my next video that I'll be dropping within the week. And have a lovely day.